Daily code. Is vibe coding really just for non-serious programmers, for junior programmers, for people who don't really code? I don't think so, but I've been hearing a lot of smart people say that that's still where we're at. Just listening to Lex Friedman's latest with DHH. I love DHH, but I have to disagree with him on this point. And also like the Cursor CEO and otherwise, a lot of people just sort of say it's not ready for real, serious, large-scale code. I'm here to say that's not been my experience. I have had what I would call 100x days. I've had days where I get done what a average junior programmer would get done in 100 days in one day. I am not exaggerating. I mean, maybe, 10x and 100x are always kind of ballpark numbers. So this is a ballpark number, but I have had crazy, crazy efficient days. I would like to suggest that vibe coding is absolutely for architects. Vibe coding is not good at architecture. That's the one thing that I really think it doesn't do a great job of. But I do think that once you have good architecture in place, it can fill in all the meat and skin on top of your skeleton. And it can do it ridiculously fast. And of course you should use it. Yes, you're gonna have to do a second pass later, but getting skin on your bones, so to speak, you can do so fast. And so many things that I used to sort of in my mind say, all right, well, the rest is kind of left as an exercise to the reader once I've done the architecture, like the details or, I could crank through them, but it would just take me days and days and days to do it. Now the AI can do that. So I absolutely use vibe coding as much as possible as a very experienced engineer. So I think, I'll share some more tips later, how I'm getting this to work, but I really think vibe coding is for everyone, and especially for senior and experienced engineers. I feel quite strongly about that, and I'm trying to encourage everyone I talk to try it out and experiment with it. The biggest thing is you need to experiment. You need to close your eyes and not look at your code, hold your breath, and let the vibe coding have a first try at it. And it's not always going to succeed, but you need to learn where the edges are. You need to learn where it does succeed so you can start leveraging it in those places, not just dismiss it as something that only, script kiddies can do.